Hi, my name is Bob Lindy. I'm an acupuncturist and herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about how to make a colon cleanse product. You need two simple supplies in order to do this. You need a cup of hot water, some magnesium citrate in powdered form, and some psyllium husk. And you can either use whole or powdered. Once you get these materials together, we can go ahead and measure out a half teaspoon of each product and dissolve it in the hot water. I encourage people to do this at night because the magnesium will actually help you with your sleep. So not only do you get the benefit of gently moving the bowels and cleansing the colon, but you also get the added benefit of the magnesium citrate in restful sleep, stronger bones, and oftentimes regulated blood sugar and blood pressure. So this is an easy combination to put together. There are things that you can find at your local health food store. But if you don't find the first few times that you try it at a half teaspoon, you can follow the directions on the magnesium citrate bottle, which will allow you to very gradually increase your dosage. So be sure to follow the directions on the magnesium citrate bottle and add a little bit, about a half teaspoon, and you can go all the way up to a level teaspoon of the psyllium husk if it's necessary, in order to do a safe and effective colon cleanse.